Good morning, everyone. Today's lecture is problems of CRM and their solutions. So, what is the problems when we use CRM or customer relationship management system? So, why will customer relationship management or CRM system are effective for helping businesses to better connect with customers as well as improving the way businesses are run. Users can unfortunately encounter issues which mean that they fail to use CRM to its full potential, which can prove to be a big waste of time and money. So first problem is when we use CRM is low employee management. The problem is sometimes getting to grip with a new system, particularly when old systems have been in place for a long time, can mean that staff are, are reluctant to use the new CRM software. The solution of this problem is showing all staff levels, including management, how beneficial a CRM system can be to helping to improve the businesses as well as perhaps offering staff incentives or for positive results using the system can help to combat this. Second problem is customers are unhappy. If, for example, you are using CRM to create automated customer service systems, it may prove to be a nuisance for customers who prefer to have more personal contact. They might choose to go elsewhere or seek other forms of communication such as emails. Solution: trailing your system properly and striking a balance between efficiency and personal contact can help to ensure you keep your customers happy. Next problem is the CRM is unsuitable for businesses requirement. Often businesses are not fully informed and can end up investing in a CRM package that is unsuitable for their needs. Some software is designed to be hosted on single platform, which is fine for small businesses. Larger businesses will need to consider alternative options and research these thoroughly. The solution of this problem is larger business should look towards cloud-based CRM software packages, which will enable them to access their data across many locations whenever they need. Plenty of CRM companies offer free trials or a limited free service, which can be useful for trialing different products. Explore some of the best free CRM systems. Next problem is security issues. So what is security issues when we use CRM? The very nature of CRM software possesses the potential for mistreatment of data. Such large databases holding hundreds or thousands of personal details are stored online and accessed by teams around the globe. Solution of this problem is mitigate these risks by introducing regular and thorough testing of your CRM package. Make sure employees are fully trained in how to handle sensitive information and ensure your internal security systems are robust enough to inhibit external hacks. As with all online services, storing sensitive data is never 100% risk-free, but there are important measures you can take to drastically minimize these risks. Next problem is out of date information. Customer data changes often and changes frequently. Customers tests are constantly evolving, and it is crucial that marketers don't fall behind by using old information. Solution: Regularly auditing your data and asking your customers to verify their details regularly is an easy and effective way to ensure your available data stays relevant. Next problem is missing crucial data. Being clever with the kind of data you choose to collect can make a big difference in your CRM's effectiveness. Simply collecting sales data and personal details is no longer enough to stay ahead of the competition. Solution of this problem is the best CRM systems will integrate with your social media channels. Tracking interactions and engagement is a crucial tool. Actively engaging with your customers on social media can help you develop a better understanding of your customers and help enhance their experience. A good CRM system will allow you to capitalize on this overgrowing channels. So these are some problems when we use CRM systems and their solutions. Thank you.